Dusan, CBC.
Hi, Julie Van Dusen, CBC. So you're talking about bringing MPs back, respecting health rules, if Parliament sits and so on. But I need clarification on this Challenger flight. It doesn't sound like you were respecting the rules. You're in a flight with that has 9 seats. You've got yourself, your 5 kids. You're not wearing masks, and how can you be keeping 2 meters apart? And you say, well, we would have had to go through 3 airports. Fine, but you don't normally hitch a ride on the Challenger, so maybe you would have had to go through 3 airports. Can you tell me why it's okay for you to ignore the rules, but it's not okay for the rest of Canadians?
As I said, we were faced with a choice between, we were in Regina for March break when the music stopped, and that's where our family had been based out of. With the recall of Parliament on Saturday and with future sittings coming up for the rest of the spring session, we had a choice to make. When the government indicated that there was a flight going from Vancouver to Ottawa anyway, and that there was space available, that's the choice we made instead of flying through multiple airports on other types of flights where there likely would have been many other passengers as well. That's the decision we made. We took long disinfectant wipes. We didn't interact with each other. We made sure that we weren't speaking moistly on each other, kept to ourselves. The other 2 passengers got off the plane first. Our family left. So, that was a decision we made with the best, with the choices in front of us.
So one of your MPs tweeted, and then the tweet was removed, Mark Dalton, saying that since a lot of these people that are dying in this COVID crisis are in homes for seniors and so on, why not open the economy? Now, did you speak to him? What do you make of what he said?
Well, I understand that he's removed the tweet, and he's indicated and he's addressed his comments. Obviously, our thoughts and our concern first and foremost are with anyone who's been affected by this disease, with people who are cut off and isolated from their family because they're not able to visit or to receive visitors in the homes that they live in. My own mother lived in a long-term assisted care facility for several years at the end of her life, and I know how difficult it is to have members of one's family in long-term care facilities to begin with, and with the added anxiety of this virus affecting people in care homes specifically, I can only imagine the heartache that many families across the country are going through. So our focus will be to continue to make sure that they get the help they need, and that our response to this pandemic is done in such a way that our healthcare system can manage the number of cases that we have, and that we